So, para maalis po yan, mag-upload lang kayo ng picture ninyo, isin yung birthdays ninyo, maglagay kayo ng personal information ninyo, and tags. Ganun lang naman kasimple. So, nakalagay dyan, polish and make new friends. Para nang sa gano'n, syempre yung mga tao kapag sinisilip or chine-check yung profile po ninyo, syempre meron silang matitignan. So, sino naman gaganahan magtingin ng isang account kung sakaling wala naman tong kalaman-laman? So, Papa Life is just encouraging you to polish your account. So, edit it. Yun lang, maglagay-lagay kayo ng mga tags ninyo, like kung ano yung favorite pet ninyo, ganun lang naman po kasimple. And of course, kung hindi nyo man lang matapos yan, kung ayaw nyong alisin yan, wala namang problema doon. Pero wala naman din problema kung tatapusin nyo yan para wala na yung naka-display na ganyan. So yun, edit your profile lang guys para maalis yan or maging 100%. So today is naka-day off ako and my user ID is 79170. I'll see you at Tuesday. That will be my live house. So I'm doing live every 9 p.m. and I have some tutorials on my social media accounts. Just search Tita Laika.